Danke bafethu. So simbonile uThemba Zwane kabuya kuMamelodi Sundowns, one of the most trusted South African footballers ever. Yabona makukhulunywa ngebhola lase-South African recent years ngeke uhlale ungammention uThemba Zwane yabo. Umbonile kuleya game leya akakabi fully fit ukuthi adlale vele wonke ama-game 90 minutes njengoba ucoach ashilo, but umbonile kuleya game leya alala imengena ukuthi ayicreate something, kuba nomlingo khona njalo mekalibamba ibhola create something, noma ke angakwazanga ukutrebha lela bhola libeke phansi alivalele phakathi, but kuba khona kwaThemba Zwane I think ukuphusha i-team nanokuthi ke ayisize i-team ukuthi going forward bakwazi ukukhompyutha abafana yabo. But ke ngicabanga ukuthi heading to last games of the season, CAF Champions League final bagijimisa ileague, iMamelodi Sundowns njengoba inoThemba Zwane bazoba highly motivated ukuthi bakwazi ngempela ukuphusha ukugijimisa kahle i-CAF Champions League ngecaptain yabo njengoba seyibuyile uThemba Zwane Themba Mshishi Zwane. Then sobona ke ne-league ngoba baya leader na ku-Pirates na game in hand, but ke yabona basayi-leader vele league yabo. Okunye ngifuna ukukhuluma ngayo okungakho iSuperSport United, one of the most iconic South African teams. iSuperSport United in recent years i-produce ama-players amaningi kakhulu yabona, good adlala kubafana amanye amaningi manje akuMamelodi Sundowns nakwamanye ama-team yabona, but bandlule kuphi ezandleni zeSuperSport United. SuperSport United ke ifacea i-relegation for the first time in a very long time. Sikhumbula ukuthi SuperSport ama-former defending champions, ama-former champions one we-PSL, bawinisa i-PSL nguGavin Hunt lo abaqeda ukumxosha 3 times in a row. So history ye-club nje i-strong kakhulu, baningi ama-player good adlale ku-SuperSport United, ngisho noTeko Modise babekhona lapha ku-SuperSport United yabo, baningi kakhulu, and they went on to become like global or African superstars yabo. But ke manje izithola esimeni esibi kakhulu ilona iSuperSport United lana ifacea khona i-relegation ngoba this season ayikadlali kahle at all yabo. Mobheka nje iSuperSport United izinto lesi azihambeli kahle, but akusiyi iSuperSport United kuphela, khona nabo Cape Town City abazozilwela nabo i-relegation. So bona ukuthi ku-relegation battle izohamba kanjani, yiphi team ezo-survive relegation. But ngicabanga ukuthi into engcono kuyo yonke le situation ye-relegation ukuthi i-Royal AM already yona vele ayisekho ku-PSL, kusho ukuthi yiyo lena ezohlala ku-number 16. Lamanye ama-team lawa azolwela ku-relegation, so balwela ama-playoffs ukuthi bangayi kuma-playoffs, bangafinishi ezo-number 15, because laba baqeda ezo-number 15 bazoya kuma-playoffs nama-team ayi-2 aku-National First Division yabo. Sobona ukuthi lawo ma-team maybe kuzoba i-Kruger United, angazi nani, kuzobonakala ukuthi kuzojoyina amaphi ama-team, but kusasele few games ukuthi i-league iphele. Okunye ngifuna ukukhuluma ngako Siyabonga Ngezana siyamazi-ke lo waduma ku-Kaizer Chiefs kakhulu, sikadlala lene eRomania, bekatshela kuma-reports beka-advise ama-South African players ukuthi angamind like ukuza eRomania azozama ukudlala ibhola khona, because uthi maningi kakhulu ama-South African players a-skillful, a-talented, angenze ey'bukwayo lapha eRomania, angadominate ngempela, but it's a matter of ukuthi babelieve kubo, basuke kule environment lena abakuyo. It's not just ukuzama i-league yaseRomania kuphela, ukuzama namanye ama-league wase-Europe, because uyawathemba ama-player wala e-South Africa, uyazi ukuthi a-talented kangakanani yabo. So bona ukuthi ibaphi abazofuna ukumove because ama-players amaningi lawa good la e-South Africa comfortable ngoba ahola imali ezinkulu yabo. Ungezana I think yena uhamba ngoba i-South Africa bese kungesekho mnandi for yena, bekanamaphutha ku-Kaizer Chiefs, so nje bekadeleleka kuthiwa ayikho indaba yakhe, ingakho-ke wathatha leap of faith waye Europe, waziprova khona. Bheka manje is one of the most expensive South African defenders at the moment ngoba sekaziprove kakhulu e-Europe. Odlale naku-Europa, odlale naku-Manchester United, wadlala nje impressive games in terms of ama-defense, is one of the most respected defenders ku-league yase-Romania, and ufunwa amanye ama-team. I think kuthiwa i-value yakhe it's close to 60 million rands manje yabo, seyikhuphuke kakhulu. Yeah, defender of the season, defender of whatever nje, banokhe out-ke i-Lyon le yase-France, one of the best French teams. So kuyabonakala ukuthi ayibadlalile bakhompithile ngempela ya. Kokugcina engifuna ukukhuluma ngako ama-referee wase-South Africa, i-standards sokurefla la sabo-referee South Africa siphansi kakhulu yabo, ngangokuthi this year ku-FIFA Club World Cup akekho noyedwa wase-South Africa ku-refereeing department abampikile ukuthi uzokwazi ukuba lapha kulona ku-Club World Cup yabo, because i-standards sase-South Africa sobo-referee ayisiphansi kakhulu and siyathusa, siyamangaza. Ingakho i-FIFA-ke ingathathanga ngisho no-referee oyedwa wase-South Africa ukuthi a-represent i-South Africa ku-Club World Cup. Danke bafowethu.